Hey guys, today is Tuesday, April 7th. Today you're going to be doing a one-word summary just like you did for Of Mice and Men. So to get there, you need to go down to the Macbeth folder and then click on the one-word summary slideshow. And then once you get here, you'll have to make a copy of it so that you have your own copy that you can edit. Um, if you look at it, the slides have directions on them, and then there are blank slides that you need to fill out. So this is exactly like the Of Mice and Men one that we did, where you have to think of one word that you would use to summarize the entire book. And then it has some more things that you need to do as you keep going down. When you're finished with it, you can submit it right here in this one word summary drop box. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day. Bye.